Yeah, I have to say that in my experience, cancer patients are the best human beings as patients. And of course, I don't want to categorize. If someone is listening and has Parkinson's disease, they will say, what about us?
Yeah.
In my experience, the gratitude that someone suffering with cancer has towards us, the physicians and the nurses and the people in hospital, it is something sort of extraordinary. In my career, I need to think through very hard to think of somebody who came back blaming or complaining that this didn't work. Of course, I think it comes also from how you inform and how you set expectations. So that is also a responsibility on us. Of course, I may have had, or I'm sure I had experiences with someone told me, Ivan, Dr. Padilla, what you told me is not what has happened. And perhaps it was the truth. I was overly optimistic and I should have been more measured, more cautious. That is a lesson learned, because there is nothing worse than receiving such negative feedback when your intentions were good.
Yeah.
So that is not to blame the patients, it's to blame us, those who look after them. We need to be at our best at all times, and also includes communication, setting expectations, explaining, be didactic, educational, because the science is complex. We need to explain that to lay people as well. And there is an emotional component, and we cannot forget about that either, because you may still explain this with your best words being measured, and the way the receiver takes it could be completely different.